Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Dextools. First, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet like MetaMask or Phantom to the Dextools platform. This is a crucial first step for any decentralized exchange interaction. Next, locate the specific token you're interested in buying using the search bar. Before proceeding, always confirm you have enough cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover both the token purchase and any associated network transaction fees. Once you've found a token, Dextools offers powerful analytics. Take time to review the token's liquidity pool, as higher liquidity generally means more stable prices and easier trades. Carefully examine the price chart and trading volume to understand recent market behavior. Most importantly, always verify the token's contract address to ensure you're buying the legitimate asset and avoiding potential scams. With your analysis complete, it's time to make your trade. Dextools often aggregates multiple decentralized exchanges, so you can select the best one for your swap. Enter the exact amount of the token you wish to purchase. Before hitting confirm, double-check all the transaction details, including the token amount, the price, and the estimated gas fees. This careful review helps prevent errors and ensures a smooth transaction. After your transaction is confirmed, the first step is to verify that the new tokens have appeared in your connected crypto wallet. You can then continue to use Dextools to monitor your token's performance, tracking its price movements and market sentiment. Staying informed is key in the fast-paced crypto world. For more great tips and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.